Picture this. You're a truck owner navigating the labyrinth of tax forms. Suddenly there's light at the end of the tunnel. Form 2290 made easy. Hold onto your steering wheel because we're about to take a quick 60-second ride through the tax highway with Truck2290.com. No longer do you need to grapple with complex tax jargon. Our experts have simplified the process, making it as easy as shifting gears. They guide you through every step, ensuring no detail is overlooked. From calculating your tax to transmitting your return, Truck2290.com has got your back. And the best part? It's all done online, at your convenience, without even having to step foot outside your cab. Remember, with Truck2290.com, filing, Form 2290 is no longer a rough road, but a smooth highway. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the tax terrain. Tune in next time for more tax tips and tricks with Truck2290.com.